Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here, and then click on the three dots right over here, navigate to settings, import export, then select that you want to import from this. For me, that's going to be the SIM card. Now it's also labeled SIM1. I only have one SIM card on the first tray. There is also a second tray, so depending on where you have placed your card, at the top or bottom of the tray, it might say SIM1 or SIM2, or obviously if you occupy both of them, you would see both SIM1 and SIM2 listed in here. I'm going to select import from SIM, and then it asks me where I want to import the contacts to. I'm going to choose device, and once I do, it presents me with all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. I can quickly check all of them by clicking right over here, and then maybe deselect ones that I don't want, click on OK, and that's it. Contacts have now been successfully imported, and you can see them now in your contacts list. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.